Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Weller 8200 Tips is probably one of the most important tools for any electronics enthusiast or professional, ensuring clean, efficient, and reliable soldering, critical for creating durable and functional circuits. This video will dive deep into what makes these tips stand out from the competition, exploring their features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if they're the right choice for your soldering needs. Number 5. Weller 7135W Soldering Tip. This replacement tip is designed for Weller soldering guns. It's built to last, even under pressure. It's made by a leading manufacturer of high-quality tools. You can trust it to perform. This tip is built to withstand even the toughest jobs. It's ready for whatever you throw at it. It's designed to provide long-lasting performance and reliability. You'll get the most out of your soldering gun. Weller is internationally renowned for its diverse range of high-quality products. It's a brand you can depend on. Choose the Weller 7135W for superior performance and lasting value. It's the smart choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. This soldering tip is built to last, standing up to tough jobs. Its versatility makes it perfect for a wide range of tasks. If you need a reliable and long-lasting tool for various soldering projects, this is the one for you. What people say. There are 2 to a pack and they are well made and work properly. Factory parts, not aftermarket junk, is worth the extra money. As noted in the headline, these are genuine Weller parts. As a result, I was able to bring my ancient 8200 soldering gun back to life with one tip, and have another to put in the box as a spare. Once installed, the tip heated quickly, and reached solder melting temperature in a few seconds. Después de utilizar las varias veces, el material parece ser de buena duración. La transferencia de calor es también instantánea, aunque la proporción la pistola. Number 4. Weller 8200 Soldering Gun Tips. These are Weller 7135W soldering tips, designed as replacements for your Weller 8200 soldering gun. They're perfect for maintaining peak performance. It is specifically designed for the Weller 8200 and 8200 PK soldering guns. Make sure you have the right fit for optimal soldering. These tips are built to last, providing a reliable and consistent soldering experience. They are made to withstand frequent use. Experience improved heat transfer and a cleaner solder joint with these high-quality replacement tips. They'll help you get the job done right. This pack contains 2 tips, providing you with a spare for when you need it. Always be prepared for your next project. Replacing your old tips is quick and easy. Simply remove the old ones and insert these new ones for a seamless transition. What we like. Get 2 tips for the price of 1. It's a perfect fit for your 8200 model. If you're on a budget but need reliable replacements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These are used in many Weller soldering guns. Weller also made soldering guns for lots of other vendors. For example, these fit my father's Montgomery Ward soldering iron that has to be better than 60 years old. These are good quality and tin quickly. I purchased these tips and it fits fine and works as intended. Exact replacement and installed easily. Great product. Number 3. Weller 7135W Copper Tips. These replacement tips are designed for Weller 8200 and 9200 soldering guns. They're made of unplated copper for excellent heat transfer. The unplated copper construction ensures efficient heat transfer to your soldering work. This leads to faster, more precise soldering. These tips are specifically designed to fit Weller 8200 and 9200 soldering guns seamlessly. Enjoy a perfect fit and reliable performance. Each package contains 2 tips, making them easy to store and replace as needed. The compact size makes them easy to manage. These high-quality tips are manufactured in Mexico, ensuring consistent quality and reliability. You can trust them for all your soldering needs. The package is only 2.54 centimeters in height, making it compact and easy to store. It's perfect for keeping in your workshop or tool kit. What we like. These unplated copper tips provide excellent heat transfer. They are compatible with multiple Weller models. If you value quality and compatibility, this is a great option. What people say. These tips, as the picture shows, are plated, despite what the description shows. These tips can be used in the older version soldering gun like mine, which requires bending the tips. With my Weller gun on high, I get immediate heat and no delay to melt electronic solder. After putting the bend in the connection part of the tip and securing the nuts in the Weller, my ancient tool, more than 20 years old, is back in service. Number 2. Weller 7135N Soldering Tip. This is the Weller 7135N soldering tip, designed for precision and efficiency. It's small but mighty, perfect for intricate work. Experience superior soldering with its expertly crafted design. It ensures a clean, consistent connection every time. Its dimensions are 3.81 cm, L, x 1.27 cm, W, x 5.588 cm, H, making it easy to handle and store. It's the perfect addition to any soldering kit. This high-quality tip is manufactured in Mexico, ensuring superior craftsmanship and reliability. You can trust it for all your soldering needs. The Weller 7135N soldering tip is the ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. It's a versatile tool for a wide range of soldering applications. It's simple to install and use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Get professional results with ease. What we like. This tip's unique design allows for very precise soldering. It's sold individually, perfect for replacing a single damaged tip. If you need precision and only require one replacement, this is ideal. What people say. It works great. Direct replacement for Weller 8200 solder gun. It took solder well, and I have used it to solder a lithium-ion battery pack from its circuit board, which takes some heat to properly heat the nickel strips and pads to get proper solder removal with a solder sucker tool. Works great, heats up fast and hot. Took me a long time to locate the specific replacement tip I needed for my old Weller 8200 soldering iron. This product works well. Number 1. Weller 6160 Smoothing Tip. This smoothing tip is designed for use with Weller soldering guns, providing a smooth and even finish to your soldering work. It's made of high-quality copper, ensuring excellent heat transfer and durability for long-lasting performance. The smoothing tip's design is optimized for creating smooth solder joints without studs, ideal for various applications. With an outer diameter of 0.325 inches, 8.26 mm, and a length of 0.885 inches, 22.48 mm, it's precisely engineered for accuracy. It's compatible with Weller 8200 Universal and D550 professional soldering guns, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Experience effortless soldering with this precision tip, achieving professional-looking results every time. What we like. This smoothing tip is perfect for creating clean, even solder joints. It's made of durable copper and fits multiple Weller models. If you prioritize smooth, professional-looking results, this is the tip for you. What people say. I touched a vintage transistor radio case with a solder tool and melted a corner. By gradually applying heat from the gun, I could keep the temp below melting point, but it's softening a bit. I gradually reformed the area so the repair is now undetectable. I used this tip to cut out a plastic access panel for a car cabin filter. It cut clean and neatly. Works as promised and does the job. Installs easy too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.